Your consultant has requested an overnight sleep study for your child. This is the equipment that you will need. So there's the monitor, the mains cable, the cable for the sensor and the sensor itself. The cable for the mains plugs into the back of the machine like so. And then we have the sensor cable which will attach to the front of the machine. That slots into there. Just make sure it's in securely. And then this end is for the sensor itself. So there is only one way round. That will slot into here. And then that clips over. This part of the sensor attaches to your child's toe. It doesn't matter which foot, but on the big toe. And you're lining up these two little sensors. So the idea is we'll pretend that's the big toe. There would be one underneath, one on the top, and then that would wrap all the way around. Once that's in place, pop a little sock on and that will help secure the sensor overnight. To switch the monitor on, once all this is in place, it's this button here. So that's a push and a hold. The machine will go through all its systems, and then when it switches on, it should be in what we call sleep study mode, which means there won't be any alarm. So if the sensor comes off overnight, we won't know this until we download the information the next day. So if you go in the morning and the sensor is on, that's great, we've had a good result. If it's off, then we don't know whether it's 5 minutes before or 5 hours before that the sensor had come off. So the test may need to be repeated. So here we have the sort of screen that you were looking for. So the alarms are muted and there's a little bed there showing it's in sleep study mode. And that's all there is to it. So just leave that in place. This will eventually go dim, so there's no light shining into the room. And then we will need to just switch it off in the morning once it's all done. So in order to, when you go in the morning to switch off, again, it's just this little blue button here. That's a push and a hold. The system is shutting down. It switches itself off. And then all you will need to do is detach the sensor from the cable. You can throw this piece away, we won't need it. And then all the cables come back with the monitor to the children's unit. Thank you.